No, nuh-uh, nah, never,
What? What?
never, nuh-uh.
What does never? What does that even mean?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm talking about blah 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 blah.
You need, okay, tribe cheeses can go like die in a hole.
Anyways, welcome to Oregano Desert.
I find it just funny. I finished the war video and then immediately go do this.
Anyways, how was the War live premiere, guys? What'd you guys think of it?
By the time this comes out, it should have been up already. I think.
W or L? Yeah, you should be seeing. This should come out by the time the War video premieres. If not,
then I've made a grave mistake in something in the war video, and this was released instead.
If not, then Milk has made a severe and continuous lapse in his judgment.
And I hope it's not that, because I have spent the last 5 hours doing this today.
Wait, I wanna die!
Insane.
I'm good.
I've not played as Noise in a while, so I might be a bit rusty. But does that really matter for lap 10? Nah. Why would it matter? You know what? This might actually come out after Lap Hell Hotfix update comes out.
I don't know about that one, Chief.
I mean, it should just be a couple of weeks from when I'm recording this right now. And I still need to make the war thumbnail. You need to think about that. And I don't know how long that'll take.
It shouldn't take that long. It's a fucking thumbnail.
What if I wanted to draw it?
That seems like a really bad idea.
Well, I have an idea for what I want the thumbnail to be, and it doesn't really seem like any sprites could help me here.
Alright, what's your idea?
The idea was to take inspiration from the War Collab thumbnail.
But you just like slap but you just slap a bunch of insanity on it.
Like, not like directly like use it, but like take inspiration from it. To like make a different thumbnail.
Maybe we could like mix that with like the LHPP thing.
I don't know.
We could like mix those two together so we could have like the people who were in the War live stream there while having like a bunch of like War Lap 10 stuff on there too.
Maybe, I don't know.
I'm pretty sure you already have a list of all the people that were there for like the featured thing, right?
What?
You already have like a list of the people who were there.
Oh yeah, it
Correct,
shows
right?
up in the video. Like, there's a the list of people who show up in the video is there in the video. Like at the beginning.
Yeah, so you could just take that and then just like, I don't know, maybe we could get mad to do it or something, or like try or something.
Like at the very beginning of the video, it's like there's like text that like explicitly like shows like every single person
We
in the video.
We give everyone there just like tiny little creatures as their character to appear in the thumbnail. And then you're just like ahead of them just crying or something. Because it's War Lap 10 P rank. Obviously you're not going to be very happy. Wasn't it so silly doing it?
It was until it got later into the night, and then I became depressed. Oh wait, I'm already depressed.
Milk after dying on War Lap 10 P rank for the 3rd time.
Alright, it begins. I think this volume is alright.
So the suffrage begins.
Why is it that it feels so weird not having any effect? Have I just been editing that long?
Maybe. He's been editing for so long, him not having effect.
Oh my god, that was close.
Bro forgot he's not in lunatic mode. Bro is not Pepino. You know, if you go fast enough in that room, I'm pretty sure you could just like dodge.
No, yeah,
You
but
don't
I
have to,
messed
like-
up at the beginning.
No, like if you go fast enough in that room, you just shouldn't have to wait at all. I think. I could probably test that. Luckily, it's
Okay.
easy to get up. Luckily, it's easy to get up there. There's noise.
Yeah, it is much easier.
Thanks, Crusher Jump. Alright, how hard is this gonna be? Alright. Alright, how's this? Wait, is this gonna be difficult, or is it just like tax avoidance? Alright, it's just tax avoidance.
Tax avoidance go crazy.
I know, right? I love how a tax avoidance image was the most reacted image in the server. I'm pretty sure it was the only thing in the entire server to have so many reactions that we couldn't add more reactions.
Let's go.
The only thing. Tax avoidance.
It's illegal tax evasion.
It's a legal version of tax evasion. You should do tax avoidance right now, guys. This is a real fact.
Please,
This is a joke.
please do not do this.
This is a joke. This is a joke. I like the IRS to not hunt me down. Thank you.
Please, I actually do have to pay taxes this year. Please do not hunt me down.
You don't have to tax because you're a child. You're a minor. You don't have taxes.
I had a job last year. I have to pay. I have taxes.
Cringe. Imagine.
I had an official like city job last year, so I do have taxes this year.
You mean child labor?
Yeah, child labor.
Child labor is such a W, guys.
I actually had like a job last year, so I do actually have to do taxes this year.
How does it feel to know that all the randomness from Left 10 is now gone?
I don't know.
Well, basically all the randomness, because you know it can't get much less random. Maybe fake Santa is like almost never harmful.
Okay, that was a little scary.
Oh, I'd like to hope that Diamond's next version of Black 10 comes out before Deep Dish 9 is just a bug, which makes Deep Dish 9 a living hell because Santa and Noise can still hurt you while you're in the rocket and transitioning.
Meh, nah, I'd win.
We better have a lap 5 situation all over again. Mods, put a cancel. We're zooming with that one.
We are having a chaos zoom in with that one.
We have like the FNAF 2 hallway ambience.
Alright. Lap 9.
The only, thank God, it feels nice to not look at Pizza Master, doesn't it?
It does. Why is he slightly transparent? I hate that. Why is the Doise slightly transparent? Who did this?
Because.
Oh, wait,
Maybe
no.
it's because he's dead. It's because he's like a ghost. You fucking killed him. Lap 10.
Alright.
Final lap, let's go.
I kind of want to change that text. It does not look good.
That's a public service announcement. Don't steal code from Cyvap. If you are a modder looking to make a lap mod, you will be hunted down and you will be asked to remove your code. And if not, we will kill you. We will beat you to death.
We will beat you to death.
We will all beat you. We will consecutively beat you to death. We will make videos.
Anyways,
cyberbullying
as
your
expected,
mod.
that was not very hard.
First try. No need for cutting. Let's go.
Well, yeah, I won't cut, but I'm still gonna edit, obviously, so...
Oh.
11
Oh.
minutes. Awesome. That's gonna be my shortest... No, it's
The
not.
thing is, if you
Don't cut
edit
it was
this quick
shorter.
enough, the funny thing is, if you edit this quick enough, you probably won't even get this up before War live stream.
Yeah. So yeah, cool. I hope you enjoyed War livestream if it came out before this. If it didn't, well,
And if it didn't-
screw you. Goodbye. Goober, say something right now.
Oh, cheese it.
Awesome.